What if becoming rich didn't start with winning the lottery, getting a huge promotion, or inventing the next billion-dollar company? What if it started with something so small that most people ignore? Here's the truth. Wealth is rarely built through one big decision. It is usually built through hundreds of tiny decisions repeated every single day. The richest people in the world often have habits that look ordinary. They wake up with purpose. They manage their money carefully. They keep learning. And they make small choices that slowly create extraordinary results. Meanwhile, many people stay broke not because they don't work hard, but because small bad habits quietly drain their money, time, and opportunities. The good news? Tiny habits are easy to start. You don't need a lot of money. You don't need special talent. You just need consistency. In this video, you'll discover 20 tiny habits that can slowly change your financial future. Some may seem simple, but together they can completely change the direction of your life. Let's begin. Habit number 1. Pay yourself first. Most people spend money first, then save whatever is left. The problem? Usually nothing is left. Rich people reverse the process. The moment they receive income, they immediately save or invest a portion before spending anything else. Even if it's just 5% or 10%, this habit trains your brain to build wealth instead of living paycheck to paycheck. Remember this simple rule. Income minus savings equals spending, not the other way around. Habit number 2. Track every expense. Have you ever reached the end of the month and wondered where all your money went? A coffee here, a snack there, an online purchase. Before you know it, hundreds of dollars are gone. Successful people know exactly where their money goes. Spend just 5 minutes every evening writing down every expense. This simple habit helps you notice waste, control spending, and make smarter financial decisions. You can't improve what you don't measure. Habit number 3. Read every day. 1 chapter. 10 pages. Even 5 minutes. Knowledge creates opportunities. Many wealthy people read books about business, investing, psychology, communication, and personal growth. Every page teaches something that could increase your income in the future. Entertainment costs money. Education often makes money. Habit number 4. Learn one new skill every year. The world changes quickly. New technology appears. New industries grow. Old jobs disappear. People who keep learning remain valuable. Maybe it's public speaking, coding, sales, video editing, marketing, artificial intelligence. One valuable skill can double your income over time. Never stop learning. Habit number 5. Avoid impulse buying. Whenever you want to buy something that isn't essential, wait 24 hours. Most of the time, the excitement disappears. You'll realize you didn't actually need it. This tiny pause saves hundreds or even thousands of dollars every year. Rich people don't buy everything they want. They buy what adds value. Habit number 6. Wake up with a plan. Many people wake up, check social media, reply to random messages, and let the day control them. Successful people decide what matters before distractions begin. Write down your 3 most important tasks every morning. Finish those first. Money follows productivity. Productivity follows planning. Habit number 7. Spend less than you earn. This sounds obvious, yet millions of people do the opposite. Every salary increase becomes an excuse for bigger expenses. A better phone, a more expensive car, a larger house. This is called lifestyle inflation. Rich people increase their investments faster than their spending. The gap between what you earn and what you spend is where wealth grows. Habit number 8. Invest automatically. Saving is important. Investing is how money grows. Instead of waiting until the end of the month, set up automatic investments whenever possible. Even small amounts invested consistently can become surprisingly large because of compound growth. Time is often more powerful than the amount you invest. Start early. Stay consistent. Habit number 9. Protect your health. This might seem unrelated to money, but poor health is expensive. Medical bills, missed work, lower energy, less productivity. Exercise regularly. Sleep well. Eat healthier foods. Your body is the engine that produces your income. Take care of it. Habit number 10. Build multiple income streams. Depending on one paycheck is risky. If that income disappears, everything changes. Many wealthy people earn money from different sources. A side business, freelancing, investments, digital products, rental income. You don't need 5 income streams tomorrow. Just start building one extra source. Small beginnings often become big opportunities. Habit number 11. Surround yourself with growth-minded people. Your environment influences your future. If everyone around you complains, you may start complaining too. If everyone spends recklessly, you'll likely spend more. Spend time with people who encourage learning, discipline, and ambition. Success leaves clues. Pay attention to people already living the life you want. Habit number 12. Say no more often. Every yes costs something. Sometimes money. Sometimes time. Sometimes opportunities. Learn to say no to unnecessary spending. No to distractions. No to things that don't move you closer to your goals. Every successful life is built on strong boundaries. Habit number 13. Review your finances every week. Most people only think about money when there's a problem. Successful people check their finances regularly. Once every week. Review your bank account. Check your savings. Track investments. Review spending. Celebrate progress. Correct mistakes. Small weekly corrections prevent big financial disasters. Habit number 14. Focus on long-term thinking. Before making decisions, ask yourself one question. Will this still matter 5 years from now? That simple question changes everything. Should you waste money trying to impress strangers? Or invest it for your future? Should you spend hours scrolling online? Or spend that time learning a valuable skill? Long-term thinking creates short-term discipline. And discipline creates wealth. Habit number 15. Stay consistent. This may be the most important habit. Many people start saving, then quit. They start investing, then stop. They start learning, then lose motivation. Wealth doesn't reward intensity. It rewards consistency. Small actions repeated for years become life-changing results. Habit number 16. Read one piece of financial content every week. You don't have to become a financial expert overnight. Read one article. Listen to one podcast. Watch one educational video. Or read one chapter from a finance book. Small, consistent learning compounds into better financial decisions. The more you understand money, the better you'll manage it. Knowledge is one investment that always pays dividends. Habit number 17. Keep a visible reminder of your goal. Your brain naturally focuses on what it sees repeatedly. Write your savings goal on a sticky note. Keep a picture of your dream house. Save a picture of your future business as your phone wallpaper. Seeing your goal every day keeps your mind focused, even when you're not actively thinking about money. Goals that stay visible are more likely to become reality. Habit number 18. Review your subscriptions every month. Streaming services, gym memberships, cloud storage. Many subscriptions quietly renew every month. Most people forget they're paying for them. Spend just 5 minutes every month checking every recurring payment. Cancel what you no longer use. Small recurring charges add up faster than you think. That money can be redirected into savings or investments. Habit number 19. Celebrate small financial wins. Don't wait until you're a millionaire before feeling successful. Celebrate your first $100 saved. Your first investment. Paying off a debt. Following your budget for 1 month. Small victories build confidence. Confidence builds consistency. And consistency builds wealth. Habit number 20. Ask yourself, will my future self thank me? Before every financial decision, pause and ask yourself, will my future self thank me for this? Will your future self thank you for buying something you don't need? Or for investing that money instead? Will your future self thank you for wasting another hour? Or for learning a skill that could increase your income? Every wise decision today becomes a gift to the person you'll become tomorrow. Notice something interesting? None of these habits require you to be born rich. None require extraordinary intelligence. None require perfect timing. They're all small, simple, and completely within your control. Imagine following these 20 habits for the next 5 years. Saving first. Learning continuously. Avoiding unnecessary spending. Investing consistently. Improving your skills. Managing your time wisely. Protecting your health. Building multiple income streams. Week after week. Month after month. Year after year. Your financial life could look completely different. Because wealth isn't usually created by one lucky moment. It's created by thousands of tiny decisions that most people overlook. So don't try to master all 20 habits today. Choose just one. Practice it until it becomes automatic. Then add another. Remember, tiny habits may seem insignificant today, but over time they can build an extraordinary future. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss practical tips on building wealth, improving your mindset, and creating a better life. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.